Hey everyone, it's Deborah and it's Craft Fair Friday, and this is going to be a super easy project to do for craft fairs. This would be great for summer craft fairs, you name it, you could use these. So these are masks that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and all I did was add them to a package. I used these A7 clear envelopes, and I purchased these off of Amazon, so you can look right here, and I will try to put the link to this if they're still available. But anyway, this is the size that I used. Okay, they work perfectly for these masks. So this is going to be a very minimum an easy project to do. I mean, I'm not even going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you what I use. So I used this. I used my little stapler, and then I used, let me show you. You know how you get those strip pages? I used this Michael's paper, and you know how you get the strip pages that are kind of hard to use? Well, that's what I used for the toppers. Okay, let me show you the page I used. See if I can find it. And then I just, cut it to make the topper. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, there it is. So I wanted to use SBF as my BFF, and I wanted to use Summer Fun. And so you just want to make sure that you cut it to where it works to be able to use that this is going to be folded down. So here is SBF is my BFF, and that's the back of that. So you can see how I cut it and folded it. It's 5 7/16 inches wide by whatever. It doesn't matter what the size is. And then here's the Summer Fun. I cut that, and it has some of the balloons on the back. Okay, and then here is one that I used, a cooling foot mask, and I used the bathing suit, this portion of the strip. I don't see if you can see that. Yes, I used that portion of the strip for that one, and I thought that's cute. The colors matched it, and it's cute. And then here's another SBF as my BFF, and you could. So I use the strip page. I'm just showing you that's a way to use those strip pages. That would be great. So let me show you what I've made so far. I did this one. And you could decorate these up even more. Another thing these are great for is there's a lot of doctor's offices that go around, and they have marketing reps that go around and hand stuff out like this to workers in the office. So just to let you know that does happen. And so these are great ideas for something like that. But anyway, here's what I made. Not a lot. A very, very, very simple thing to do. And you could just make a ton of these in no time. And the masks these were $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Sometimes you can get them for $1 at other places. You just have to be on the lookout. I know that Dollar General has them for $1, but I would sell something like this for $3. It's just real simple. Or even if you wanted to do type of loss leader to get people into your booth or something like that, you could do them for $2. I mean, you're just adding packaging to it to make it look cute. But you could go, you can match this, like the bubble mask. This is a blueberry one. You could do a blueberry theme topper on it and make it super cute. That would be cute. This one reminds me of pink lemonade. You could do a pink lemonade type of topper on it. That would be super cute. And then this one is coconut, so you could actually, add little coconuts to it, and that would be super cute as a topper. And then the foot mask, you could add feet, to it or something like that. So anyway, just giving you ideas of how you would do these masks. And I just did really, really simple toppers to them using the strips in paper pads. Anyway, guys, have a great weekend. I will announce the 300 subscriber giveaway winner on Sunday, so I can mail that hopefully on Monday, the prizes. So make sure that you go back to the Wednesday videos that I have. There is a 300 subscriber video, and you may want to enter that. Maybe you'll win one of those cool metal dies, KS Craft dies that I'm giving away. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.